In the town of Grand Forks and the University of North Dakota, change started with a pothole. That pothole, yes, was a rough part of a road, but it also represented a crack in how the two worked together. See, that pothole was on a road that connects the university and the heart of downtown. The physical connection that ties the university and city together. We decided, why just patch a pothole when instead we could reimagine everything altogether? A functional road, but also one that attracts students, faculty, and staff to live, work, and play. That pothole sparked a conversation. It sparked action, joint internships, regular meetings between city and student governments, student research shaping city policy, class projects with government agencies, a bike share program, concerts for students hosted at a city-owned event center, downtown teaching space, combined transportation plans, scholarships, community events, and even a meal for 1,000 on that new road. An entire community moving things forward, sharing a meal and ideas. For Grand Forks and the university, there's no magic one thing. It's everything. From that pothole to where we are today, how does this all happen? Here in Grand Forks, it's as easy as taking a seat at the table.